Hi there! In this video, I want to show you how to take selfies with the help of your S Pen on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Let's get started! And firstly, let's just remove the S Pen. You just need to click here and slightly pull it out like that. Now, to open the camera, you just need to press and hold this button on the S Pen like that, and the camera opens immediately. So, here to go in the selfie mode, you just need to tap this button twice, like that, and here is your selfie. So to take a photo, you just need to click this button once, and the photo will be taken immediately. But if in your case something does not work, then we will need to go in the settings. Here scroll to see the advanced features, choose the S Pen, and now go in the air actions and enable it first, and then set for the press and hold pen button the camera. After that, we just need to scroll a bit right here and enable this single press and to take a picture. So that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.